Hello all, welcome to this new case study. Uh, this is a very exciting project that we did in Bluestick Media. This is one of the most successful SEO projects that we have done. I'll just start with the results. We were able to increase uh, organic search traffic for an e-commerce website by around 430 percentage. So it took a lot of strategy and effort to get to this level, and we were able to directly impact the number of sales that we were getting via this website, via organic search, right? So basically we are getting a lot of traffic and sales for free. One of the targets that we had for this client or website was to not just depend solely on paid campaigns. So I think after 6 to 7 months, we were able to actually achieve that. Now we get a really good amount of traffic organically, and we don't need to 100% depend upon paid campaigns. So I'm just dissecting the four things that helped us get to this level. So let me start. So the first thing was bulk meta description updates. So this client had about 7,000 products in that website. So there was no scope of going individually and making creating optimal meta titles for each product. So what we did was we created a template in which a structure, and we did some hard coding or coding activities or automation to update all of these 7,000 products at a go with a given template. So that was really time saving, and it was also really effective. So for example, it goes like buy product name at location name for the best price and some more keywords. So it automatically replaces the product name with the product name and the location with the location extra. So that worked really well. And the second point was to have a regular blogging strategy. A lot of businesses think that blogs are dead and they don't use it, but it's still really relevant. If you select the topic right, you have to find out that topic which has a really good search volume and less competition, and try to give value to the user. And also, if you if you if your business is limited by geography, always write specific to that region. For example, this client is only functions in a particular country, so we'll write about something that intersects what the client does and also intersects the interest of the country, right? So that's a really good thing that you have to do. And the third thing, this is one of the best things that we have done. We looked up a lot of keywords that had a really good search volume, and we saw that some particular websites were ranking on top of that. They were not competitors; they were just publishers, right? So they other publishers had really good articles, which were ranking high on the keywords that we were targeting. So what we did was that we partnered with them. We got in touch with them, and we said that, hey, can we have a space in this article, and can you place us organically so that it appears to the users that we are also a credible source for whatever they're searching for. So that gave us huge amount of traffic, and it still is driving a lot of sales and traffic and organic traffic for us, and it's also helped us get some quality backlinks from the sites. And the fourth thing is, yeah, all of the SEOs does this, but I'm not sure how consistent are you guys. But we were consistently on a weekly basis just focused on building credible links. We were not spamming or anything like that. We were just looking at a lot of listing sites that are really relevant for us, and we were putting out our website and details there, and we'll try to get a backlink from there. So these are the four things that worked really well for us, and it's like SEO is still being, it's a long game, and hence I see a lot of new brands playing the short game by just focusing on paid ads, and maybe if you have any kind of long term ambition, investing in SEO is worth it. And this is an example that you can show to your boss or share to your colleagues who thinks that SEO doesn't work anymore. So Thank you guys. If you have any doubts, you can just put it down in the comments, and we'll check that, and we'll get in touch with you. Thank you.